Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to, and today I'll be teaching you on how to use the Notion dashboard for beginner. Now, the first thing that you will need to do is you have to open your web browser and then type out notion.so, and after that you have to log in or create your account. And you can also get the Notion for free. So just click on this one right here. So for now, I'm going to click on the login, and you can also go ahead and explore the things that you can do right here. Now let's go ahead and log in. Okay, so you can log in using your email, or you can log in with your Google, or you can continue with Apple. So for now, I'm going to click on the continue with Google. So this one right here, and you have to go ahead and sign into Notion using your account. So now, how are you planning to use the Notion? So for me, I'm going to use this one for personal use, but you can also do this, or you can use this for your team or for school, and then just click on continue. Okay, so just have to wait for a few seconds. Now you are on the section where you're getting started. So right here, you can see the basics. So you can click anywhere and just start typing. You can hit to see all the types of content that you can add, headers, videos, sub pages, and etc. So you can just click anywhere right here. Okay, so if you have a question, you can just click on this one. So now at the right side, you can see the getting started, right? So let's go ahead and add a title for this one. For example, I am going to type out right here, report for the week. Okay, or report for this week. Okay, so you can also add pages for this. And right here, you can choose the font style of your title. So just go ahead and the three dots right here and choose the font style that you want to use. Okay. And after that, let's just close this one. And as you can see right here, your task has been created. So you just have to click on that one and explore some things right here. Now you could add an icon for this task. So we just click on it or add a cover. So let's add an icon for this. So you can change the icon if you want. And let's now change the cover. Okay, just click on the change cover. So here you have a lot of options right here. You can use this for free, and also you can use a cover from your folder. So just have to click on the upload a file. So maybe for now I am going to use a color or a gradient color. So maybe this one will do. And after that, you just have to close this one. Now you can also add a comment, and you can see here your profile picture. Okay, and after that you can click on the three dots to see more options. So let's go ahead and try the templates. So when you go ahead and click on the templates, and you'd be able to see here different templates that we can use for our tasks. So for the to-do list, you can see this is how it looks like if you're going to use this template. So if you want to use this template, just go ahead and click on the get template, and for our projects and tasks, this is a template. So you can see that this is how it's going to look. And if you want to go ahead and use this, just click on the get template. So for the projects, tasks, and sprints, you can also go ahead and use this template. For meetings, again, you also have that. For docs, you have that as well. For wiki. Okay, so maybe let's try using a template from to-do list. So let's explore more in here. So if you want to go ahead and explore more, you just have to scroll down all the way to the bottom, and maybe you can find a template that you want to use. So let's go ahead and click on the projects and tasks and click on the get template. So as you can see, here's the template. So I can just edit everything right here and put all of the information that I need. So for the status, you can go ahead and change this one. So assuming that you're still in progress with this task, just click on it. So as you can see at the tab, Here's the status for this task, but you can also change or add a new task name for this task. So right here, you can also change this one and you'd be able to see the summary of your task. So you have the status, assignee or your due date for this, your priority if it's low, medium, or high. So you can set that up and the summary of this task. So maybe let's try to create a new task. Okay, so just click on the new icon and then click on this task right here and change the title for this one. So maybe 20 videos. Okay. So this is still in progress. So you can go ahead and assign a person that we're going to do this task. So you can go ahead and type out the due for this. Okay, for the schedule of this task. Okay, so right here for the priority, you can set this up to high, and the summary, maybe I'll just type out here, finish before, we have to finish this before February 9. Okay, so I just have to click on enter. So assuming that we have finished the first task, so I just have to go ahead and then click on the status and then click on the in progress and then select done. So as you can see, there's only one task left since this one is not finished yet. So let's go ahead and explore more about Notion. So here at your right side, you can see the search button. So you would just go ahead and click on it and you can search for your works in Notion. For the updates as well, you can see the archive and all. So for the settings and members, so here you just have to copy this link, okay, and then send this to specific user that you want to invite to your Notion. And you can also click on directly the add members. Okay, so this one right here, when you click on it, you'd be able to search for their name or emails. And for the workspace owner, it's you or the member. And after that, you just have to click on the invite button at the top. Now let's proceed to the quick note or the project. So when you go ahead and click on your project, you can see here the projects that you have created. And let's try the quick note. So here you can also change everything if you want to. For example, this one or this one right here. So you just have to highlight and delete this text right here if you want to change this. Now let's go ahead and explore the personal home. Here you can change the cover. Okay, so same, you just have to select the cover that you want or you can upload a file. Okay, so right here you can also change the position of your cover. So maybe I'll try to position this one like this. Okay, so here you can also change the title for this and type out some short description. And for your daily, you have a movie list, recipes. So when you go to your movie list, you will be able to see here the option where you can add a web bookmark for your movie. So let's click on the add a web bookmark. Okay, so you can see here the example movies. Okay, click on add movie and then paste here the web bookmark or the URL of that movie. Okay, so let's go to our recipes. Okay, right here you can click on the new and then type out the name of your recipe. Now for our task list, you can just click on this one and try to use this template. Now you can add a title. Okay, so the date created for the status, and you can add a property so you can list here the task that you want to finish. So let's go to our journal. So if you know about daily reflections, you can use this one or for your vacation or 28th birthday or any birthday. So let's just change this to planning maybe, or I can also add a property for this one. So just put here all of the information that you need on that specific day. So for our reading list, you can just go ahead and use this one if you want to read a book and you want to make a list. Okay, so for the calendar, you can access this one if you continue with your Google. So let's just close this for now, but if you want to, just have to click on it. And one more thing, I want to show you how you can create a theme space. So as you can see at the right, you can see the create a theme space option. So you just have to click on it. So here you can add an icon and a name for your theme space. Okay, you can create your first theme space to start using Notion with your teammates. And here a short description. So maybe let's try to add a name work, and for the description as well, maybe finish the task together. Okay, so something like that. Maybe just a short description. And after that, just have to click on create team space. And your team space will be created. So you here just have to type out the people or groups that you want to add. So for example, I want to type out Greggy. So if you see their email, you just have to click on it. Okay, and after that, just you can also click on skip for now. And right here, you have now your team space. So you can edit everything right here like earlier. So you can click on the share button as well and then add the people that you want to work with or copy your link. Okay, and that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.